Alright, here is how to find the incenter for, in this case, an acute triangle. To find the incenter, we need to find all of the angle bisectors. So we grab our compass, and okay, there's one arc. You start with arcs on all three angles. Let's see. Get that to stay. Make another arc here. And then make a same arc on the third one. And then from those arcs, you're going to get the 2 points off of each arc. So I'm going to do is make a dot. Oops, let's not do that. Let's do this. A little too big. Have a dot at each of those places. We need those 2 points to make our X inside of the triangle. Okay, we have our 6 points. Take your compass from each one of those 6 points and make an X inside the triangle. There we go. Take your straight edge and connect this vertex with this X. And make sure it lines up exactly. The more accurate you are, the better it will come out. It's still a little bit off here. It's still a little bit off there. Here was the toughie. There. Do the same thing on the next 2 angles. Make our X inside. Okay, let's draw our line from this vertex through this X. It's really late, so I am seeing double on some of these, so bear with me here. That looks like the good angle bisector. Okay, we gotta do the last one here as well. It's going to be hard to see this X, and if I can, I'm going to have to erase the other X's first. Okay. Still have my 2 points. That's all I need there to make my X. I don't need the arc, I need the 2 points. So let's use these to make an X in here. Okay, make it vertex with the X. see. It's pretty close. So let's make a dot where that is. Teeny block. We'll take their dot. Put that right on where we think the incenter is. And let's get rid of all these other lines now. Don't need these points anymore either. All we need to do now is make a perpendicular line to this. So let's make a smiley face. And from these 2 points, make an X underneath. And what we'll do is connect this point with this X to make a perpendicular line. And we'll put a dot right. The dot. There we go. We'll put the dot right there. That is a 90-degree line. Now what I'll do is I'll get rid of this line here. And I'm going to shorten it up and make it be right on that point. To there. Good. Okay, get rid of this arc. We'll get rid of these two. And we'll see if it works. If we did it right, then this should make a perfect circle inside of our triangle. And it should be equidistant to all 3 sides. And it's pretty close. I messed it up a little bit. Tell I'm just a teeny bit off. That's the general idea. If yours was that far off, you would get full credit for it. So that's good. Put the dots where they touch the triangle. And if you were to draw those in, those would be the 3 lines that you would need to measure. They should all be exactly the same length because they are all a radius. Each of them is a radius. And you would have your incenter. Circumcenter is the one that makes the circle outside of the triangle. There you go.